Why do 80% of new flight simmers struggle with low FPS and stutters? I was one of them, not anymore. Here's how I turned my MSFS 2024 from choppy to champion. Alright, let's get real. Flight simming should feel like you're soaring, not stuck in a slideshow. I started with a mid-range PC, Ryzen 5 3600, RTX 3060, 16 GB RAM. And honestly, my first flights were rough stutters, lag, all the pain. So I went all in on tweaking and testing. First stop, Windows settings, disabling unnecessary background apps, setting power mode to high performance, and updating my drivers. These alone gave me a noticeable boost. Next, Nvidia control panel. I dialed in prefer maximum performance, tweaked low latency mode, and managed V-Sync. Little things that made a big difference. Then the graphics settings inside MSFS 2024, it's all about balance. Scaling back shadows, turning off motion blur, and adjusting render scaling. Each slider can give you back precious frames. But here's the real game changer. The Autofps mod with lossless scaling. This combo keeps things smooth, even in dense airports or bad weather, and when something went wrong, my troubleshooting checklist always saved the day. I poured everything I learned into a beginner-friendly PDF. No fluff, just what works. Download it from Gumroad, link in the comments. Ready to make your sim smoother than ever? Let's fly high at high FPS.